all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have completed the explanation of lesson number 3, the midnight visitor. Now today we will do the question answer of that lesson. Now from read and find out from page number 14, question number 1 is, how is Ozabel different from other secret agents? Answer: Ozabel is different from other secret agents in several ways. He was extremely fat. In spite of living in Paris for over 20 years, he spoke French and German with difficulty and had an American accent. Instead of getting messages passed secretly to him by beautiful girls, he got only a routine telephone call for making an appointment. In these ways, he was different from other secret agents. Question number 2. Who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? Answer: Fowler is a writer and he had come to meet Ozabel in order to get some material for his writings. His first authentic thrill of the day came when he saw a man in Ozabel's room pointing a pistol towards Ozabel and himself. Now from page number 15, question number 3, how has Max got in? Answer: Max had got into the room using a passkey or master key. Question number 4, how does Ozabel say he got in? Answer: Ozabel said that Max had got into the room through the balcony. He said that it was the second time in a month that somebody had got into his room this way. Now from think about it from page number 18, question number 1. Ozabel did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. What do secret agents in books and films look like, in your opinion? Discuss in groups or in class some stories or movies featuring spies, detectives and secret agents and compare their appearance with that of Ozabel in this story. Now you may mention characters from fiction in languages other than English. In English fiction you may have come across Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot or Miss Marple. Have you watched any movies featuring James Bond? Now here the answer is, secret agents in fiction are projected like ideal men, tall, dark and handsome. They are usually well built and keep beautiful women for company. They would smoke a pipe like Sherlock Holmes or a cigar and execute death-defying stunts like James Bond. Movies based on James Bond show high-tech gadgets which assist the detectives in countering villain. However, there are some conceptions to this appearance of a secret agent also. A character named Fleda was created by Satyajit Ray, the famous Bengali filmmaker. Fleda was a tall athletic figure who relied on his superb analytical ability and observation skills. Question number 2. How does Ozabel manage to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room? Look back at his detailed description of it. What makes it a convincing story? Ozabel creates a detailed description of how his office was part of a bigger apartment and how the next room had a direct connection with a balcony. His statement that somebody else also broke into his office through that balcony earlier made it a convincing story. In this way, Ozabel managed to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room. Ozabel's ability to think quickly and calmly in a situation of panic makes it convincing. Question number 3. Looking back at the story, when do you think Ozabel thought up his plan for getting rid of Max? Do you think he had worked out his plan in detail right from the beginning? Or did he make up a plan taking advantage of events as they happened? Answer: No, I don't think that he had worked out his plan in detail earlier. He took advantage of events as they happened. Osibel made up a story of the balcony outside the room, and as there was a knock at the door, he said that it would be the police. All these made Max desperate. He became restless and without seeing below, jumped out of the window. So students, here we complete our think about it from the lesson and read and find out questions. So you have to write all the questions in your notebook and learn it.